Hello guys, welcome to my video today. Today I'm gonna build a military base that
Hindi mo nga yan mabibidyo, Lance. Dapat may hawakan ka.
that can be used by a mega plate and a lot of this. Okay guys, let's start.
Let's start the build.
If you watching this, come and build this now. Step
Dance.
by step.
Lunch, zoom in kita kanina ng 20 lang. That's good.
Yep, yep.
Okay.
And this is the helicopter I made.
Pakan ko. Yan. Ayan mga tao po. Nagsasalita.
And like and subscribe if you're watching this.
Yeah, we are gonna hit
If we
1,000 million.
if we hit 10 likes, I'm gonna build a airport this time.
Yeah. And you better subscribe to him.
Yeah, subscribe guys. Subscribe.
Huwag ko sabihin Philippines tayo. And
And we are in the Philippines.
yeah. It's so good we are in the Philippines.
Yep.
And look our stuff. Many Legos.
Papa, guys.
Yeah. Many. Can't you get some more
In
likes?
the SM Tanza.
Yeah. You better like and subscribe before he run out of Lego.
Yeah. Because I'm running out of Lego this time.
Yeah.
You better subscribe, guys.
Lance.
I have only 2 subscribers, guys.
Yeah.
But that's okay. At
Yeah.
least I have a subscriber.
At least he have more views.
Yeah?
Why the zombie head? Where's the zombie head?
What?
The zombie head is moving there. Huh?
Ako lang.
You can buy these rockets to SM Tanza.
Yeah, like this.
Yeah, like that.
This is the box. What? It's on.
Yeah, where's the other one?
And this,
And
guys.
this. Put it. Yeah.
Let's go, guys. Let's continue.
Yeah. Look at the people. I don't know what they are saying.
Yeah, me too.
And the black guy lost her head or hand.
Yep.
And that is the helicopter.
Yep. Like I show in the next video.
Yeah. Look.
In the next video, I'm gonna show. In the next video, I'm gonna make an airport.
Yeah.
And please like and subscribe. If we hit 10 subscribers and 10 likes, we are gonna create a airport.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's continue our
I thought we were gonna watch
military
TV.
base. And this is the fuel
Yeah.
for the
This video we are gonna add to TV.
Yeah. You better watch on TV and subscribe to me. Please.
Yeah.
I'm trying to hit 10 subscribers.
No 100 subscribers.
10.
Yeah.
Like I said. In the meanwhile,
What is that? Dance, mamaya isushow mo lahat ng world.
yep. In the meanwhile, this is what progress I made. See?
If this finish, we are gonna
Upload it to YouTube.
yeah, and we are gonna show our place.
Yeah. You better like and subscribe.
Yeah, before he ran out of Lego.
Yeah. In 3, in 2, and so on. Before I run out of Lego, please like and subscribe and support me.
Yeah, we first support God.
Yeah, me too.
And all the people support the God.
Yeah.
They like God and love God. What did you say? What you gonna say? Tell me that you love me. Lying to my face. I know you double cross me. Girl, you such a fake.
Just stop joking around.
Okay, fine.
We
You
need
know,
to focus on this. Because if we don't focus, the video will end.
yeah.
And I lose my time.
Look, he have so many glasses.
Yep. For the train and
For the train and for the Titanic.
yep.
We hit 100.
If we hit 1,000 likes, we are gonna build a Titanic.
Yeah. Also many Legos.
Stop talking.
Okay, fine. You said my name. No. He have some.
Ito pa lang yung progress ko, guys.
Yeah.
Pero medyo maganda na, guys, no?
Look, there's some robot hand.
Yeah, I can build a robot too.
Yeah. He can build.
Wait here in 2 minutes.
Where he's gonna go? I thought he's gonna go over the CR. Let me double check this. If it's good. Wait a minute, he's
Hi,
back.
guys.
Oh my god. He just pee-wee.
What? I'm not like that
Why?
because I'm the. Where's Camila?
Wait. Where's Camila again? No. My sister's gone.
Wait, guys. Again.
Why? I gotta go to pee. Just hold this. I gotta go to pee. This is what I made progress.
Don't watch me.
Diba ang ganda, guys? Diba? Ito pa lang nagpo-progress ko, guys. Oh. Hi, guys. Guys, I'm back here.
He is back for videoing.
Yeah, I'm the cameraman.
Yep. If we
I can do flash lights.
pretty little liar,
Huh?
what you gonna say? Tell me that you
Stop
love.
saying anything. Oh, you are the boss. Sorry. He have some ladder. Look. I will end this video because it's 1 hour to take this long. Goodbye, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.